Hello everyone, today we are making potal fry, also known as parwal, potol and pointed gourd in English. I hope you will like it. Also like and comment your views, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest videos. First, wash the potal properly. After washing, cut both sides of the potal. Now scrub the outer layer of the potal, as outer layer of the potal is very rough. Once again wash the potal. Now cut the potal into two halves. After you have cut all the potals, add salt. Add turmeric powder. Next add chili powder. Add cumin powder. Finally add garam masala. Now mix it well. Keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Add oil to the pan. Once oil is heated, start adding potal in the pan. Flip the potal so that both sides of the potal is fried properly. Fry the potal till it turns golden. Similarly, fry all the remaining potals. Finally, fried potal is ready. You can have this with rice. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Comment below which recipe would you like to watch next.